Why, hello there.
What's up?
What you doing?
So we're doing a bronze package. We got 3 cars. This is a bronze package on this LC500.
So what's the main focus that you are trying to get done with the package you're doing?
So this package is a general type of cleaning. This is going to be more so like a maintenance style detail. So this is more so for customers that take care of their vehicle, that don't really have the time to do it themselves, but they want to make sure that the vehicle's been properly maintained each month. So that's what this is pretty much about. This is normally the package that most of my customers go with monthly. This is the one that they tend to choose.
So roughly about how much would you say your maintenance package or your bronze package, what is like your base starting price point?
So for this package, if the vehicle is not bad, if it's not bad, this package is gonna start at, depending on the size, this right here is 140. The Camaro behind us is 140, and then it can go up to 170, just all depending on the size.
So what does the bronze package come with? What can a customer expect when they book your bronze package?
So they can expect a wipe down like y'all seen me doing right here. They had a little bit of stuff on the steering wheel. So I'm gonna wipe it down. I'm gonna blow out the cracks and crevices with my air tool right here. So go through all the cracks, blow out all the dirt or whatever, crumbs, the fries, whatever y'all drop or the kids drop. Once all that's done, I come back and I'll do a vacuum, a very thorough vacuum, take the mats out, vacuum under the mats, vacuum the mats, and then after that, windows, and then we're gonna wash the vehicle as well.
So are maintenance packages only for your standard vehicles like this, or do you offer something for like bigger things? Because as we've seen, you've done like the Budweiser trucks, you've done big rigs, you've done Sprinter vans.
Yeah.
Buses.
Everything. Anything could get a maintenance package. It's really based off of like condition. If the vehicle's too bad, then obviously they need to get a silver package or a diamond package. But generally speaking, it doesn't matter if it's the Budweiser trucks, a Sprinter van or whatever, they can get a bronze package done as well.
Just depends on what the customer's looking for, I guess.
Yes, it depends on the customer. It depends on, also just depends on the condition of the vehicle too. Some vehicles won't, I guess, qualify for a bronze package just because if the condition of the vehicle is too bad, it hasn't been cleaned in years, then it's best to do a silver package in order to get it cleaned properly. Then after that, I would recommend, hey, let's get you on a plan every month or every 2 months to do the bronze package so we can keep it up and make sure that we don't have to come back and do a silver package every year. But if you want to do a silver package, which is the deep clean, that's totally fine with me. I'm fine with that. I have people who do that twice a year. I'm fine with that.
So you offer add-ons?
Yeah, so one of the new changes, I made a bunch of changes to the packages. The main change is there's no longer a gold package. There is a gold package, but not the same gold package. It changed. So the gold package has become the diamond package. That's a little confusing. So if you have any questions, just feel free to hit me up. So now there's 4 packages instead of 5. I have 5 fingers up. Hey.
You said 4 of 5. What kind of add-ons are there?
So now with the bronze package, if you want to condition your seats, that's an add-on. That includes the conditioning all the seats and the panels. The price of it depends on the size of the vehicle. So there's going to be a price range on that. Another thing is If you want to do the engine bay, that's always been an add-on, but now it's on the actual page. The engine bay, headlights, and then also, if you don't have your vehicle ceramic coated, don't really have any protection on it, now you can add on a wash and wax to the bronze package. So that's going to be an extra, and that all depends on the size of the vehicle as well.
Earlier you said that wax, putting wax on the vehicle was an add-on to the bronze package.
Yes.
So what kind of wax do you use? Is it like a paste wax? Is it a spray wax? Or you're just calling it a wax and it's not really a wax?
But people do that. People do that. They
You
be
see what I
spraying
did there?
stuff on. Yeah, but nah, I use so sometimes I use a paste wax, sometimes I use a spray wax. If you prefer for me to use a paste wax, just let me know. I'll use a paste wax. Most of the times I'm going to use like a spray sealant. Both is put on by hand, but the spray sealant comes in a bottle. The paste wax is going to come in like some type of little can or something like that. The old school people, they love the paste wax. So if you have an old school, you want the paste wax, I'll put the paste wax, there's no problem. But technology has gotten a lot better nowadays with these different chemicals and stuff like that. So personally, me, like I said, I've seen the spray sealant last a lot longer. I want to show y'all something. Look at that. I ain't even washed it yet. The water's scared of it. It's scared.
Why is it?
So this vehicle is ceramic coated. I ceramic coated this vehicle a couple of months back. And so the benefits of this is that it never needs to be waxed again. All it needs is to be maintained. That's it. So maybe every now and then you get your vehicle ceramic coated. Every now and then you could do like a topper where you put like maybe a ceramic sealant or something on it or whatever. But even a lot of times that's not even needed. But it makes cleaning the vehicle a whole lot better. A whole lot easier. You see how the water just, look at it.
It's running away.
It's running away. Now, does this make your vehicle Superman? No, it doesn't. It still needs to be properly maintained. It still needs to be washed monthly, at least monthly. Sometimes the coating can get clogged up. Over time, it may get a little clogged up and you may have to do a maintenance wash on it where unclog the coating. That's pretty normal. Everything needs maintenance. But the coating that's on this one is a 5-year coating. So if he's good for 5 years, you don't have to wax the vehicle or anything. It's going to protect it against oxidation, minor scratches. It's not scratch resistant, but it can protect it from like minor scratches. It makes cleaning the vehicle a lot easier. And it does give the vehicle a more glossier shine. It does. But yeah, so the coating that I use is called SP3 Alpha. And yeah, this is good to see.
Any complaints with them?
No, he loves it. He loves it. The windshield is also coated too. So.
Ooh, that water, big scary.
Yeah. So the windshield is also coated. I like the coating because he said that whenever he was in the rain one time, the windshield wipers wasn't even on. He said it was just gliding off the car. So that's good to know. But use your windshield wipers. You just ain't got to use them as much.
So what's the analogy that me and you kind of we like to compare cars to what?
The paint is like the skin on your body. Just like some people need sunscreen, I don't. But but just like some people need sunscreen, this is like having a permanent sunscreen. Not permanent, but a 5-year sunscreen on the body. So it protects it. Just like when you put sunscreen on, it protects you against the UV rays. Same thing with this.
Nice and sunny.